Hi, it's Dave Shannon from Drive Ahead School of Motoring. Today's video is looking at Reginald Mitchell Way, so coming off the A500, heading up towards the Sandyford and the Kids Grove area. Now this first roundabout, going ahead, it's important to keep to the left, catch people out because it winds up quite late, so some people arrive in that middle lane. Now we keep to the left, follow it around the outside to take what is the first exit. The road we saw on the left there is a slip road coming off the A500 in the opposite direction. It's quite a long road there, so just skips a little section. Coming up to the next roundabout, if we look at the sign on the left, we can clearly see left lane is left only, middle lane is ahead, and the right lane goes ahead and right. Now we're going to follow the road ahead, which is the second exit. Now there's a choice of the middle or the right lane, so we're going to use the middle lane, lane 2 here. Now the reason I put those numbers on there, as we approach the roundabout, I'm going to freeze it a second. You can see where each lane goes to. So lane 1 is off towards the left, lane 2, which we are in, is on the outer side of the roundabout, with lane 3 keeping close to the right hand side to the centre of the roundabout. So we're going to enter, follow it all the way around that outside edge, taking the second exit ahead. Now for more of these videos, just like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/driveaheadsom. If there's any other videos you'd like to see, please leave a note in the comments box and we'll do what we can to help you out.